All right, so we're in the laundry, and we've got the door coming off of the living room. This door is coming off from the exterior. There's a good chance we'll probably have a bench on that wall, so we've got an outlet so you can use a boot warmer if you want to, or for vacuuming. Double switch and a single switch. This door is currently framed at a 6'8" height, but it will be 7 foot, so that temporary board gets removed, and then a bigger door goes in its place. This is the back of our exterior closet. So that this to get a box shell. We have 2 exterior pipes here. Those will feed the exterior hot and cold water spigots. We've got an outlet underneath the sink, outlet above the countertop. We have a switch and an outlet. I think the switch is for the under cabinet lighting, or maybe under shelf lighting, which we haven't completely figured out yet, but that's what this wire is up in the corner. So there's going to be some sort of shelving. I just have to make it work with the desk area. This is the desk area. So we have a box, which will be an outlet, and then a data. And then from the data location, we went up here with a tube, so we can pop out the wall right here. I think we're going to use something like subway tile, so we can easily pull that off and replace it. It's very, very inexpensive. And then we have an outlet located above the countertop. Here is our washer box with an outlet, dryer with an outlet. We have a tall cabinet, and that's why we did an adjustable box there. Tall cabinet, and the corner, half of the cabinet in the corner will be tall probably for linens, and then you can see where the box out is for the laundry chute. That'll take up the other half of the cabinet and drop straight down. On this side, we have data location. We're probably going to have a water softener on the left. We put an outlet for that, and then we have an outlet for potentially a vacuum downstairs. And now let's shoot the ceiling. And I think we're pretty much done with this room. And so we have one duct over the exterior door, and then we have another duct in the crawl space popping up under the sink. So that should be enough for this room. I think a pretty small room for 2 ducts. So yeah, that's it. That's the laundry room. Thanks.